The President of Malta is the constitutional head of state of Malta. The President is appointed by a resolution of the House of Representatives of Malta for a 5-year term, taking an oath to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. The President of Malta also resides directly or indirectly in all 3 branches of the state. They are part of Parliament and responsible for the appointment of the judiciary. Executive authority is nominally vested in the President, but is in practice exercised by the Prime Minister. Establishment of office. The office of the President of Malta came into being on 13 December 1974, when Malta became a republic within the Commonwealth of Nations. Queen Elizabeth II ceased to be head of state and Queen of Malta, and the last Governor-General, Sir Anthony Mammo, became the first President of Malta. Qualifications. A person shall not be qualified to be appointed President if they are not a citizen of Malta. They hold or have held the office of Chief Justice or other judge of the superior courts. They are not eligible for appointment or to act in any public office in accordance with Articles 109, 118 and 120 of the Constitution. Assumption of office. Before assuming office, the nominee must take the oath of office before the House of Representatives of Malta. The oath reads, I solemnly swear, affirm that I will faithfully execute the office of President of Malta, and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Malta. Temporary vacancy. Whenever the office of President is temporarily vacant, until a new President is appointed, and whenever the holder of the office is absent from Malta, on vacation, or is for any reason unable to perform the functions conferred upon him by the Constitution. Those functions are performed by an individual appointed by the Prime Minister, after consultation with the Leader of the Opposition, or by the Chief Justice. Role of the President. Among the powers of the President. The President promulgates laws. The President may dissolve the House of Representatives of Malta acting on the request of the Prime Minister of Malta or following the passage of a no-confidence motion in the government. The President names the Prime Minister, with the President making his or her decision based on the situation within the Maltese Parliament. The President names most members of constitutional bodies. The President receives foreign ambassadors. The President may grant a pardon to convicted criminals. The President can also lessen or suppress criminal sentences, acting on the advice of Cabinet or the Minister delegated by Cabinet with such responsibility. The President is ex officio chairman of the Commission for the Administration of Justice of Malta. The President is ex officio head of the Maltese Honours. The President is ex officio chairman of the Malta Community Chest Fund, a charitable non-governmental institution aimed to help philanthropic institutions and individuals. The President's spouse is the deputy chairperson. The President authorizes recognition in Malta of honors, awards and decorations. No title of nobility, honor, award, decoration, membership or office may be used in Malta unless it is authorized by the President. The names of those persons so authorized are published in the Government Gazette. Official residences. The official office of the President is the Grand Master's Palace in Valletta. Other presidential residences include San Anton Palace at Attard, official residence; Verdala Palace at Muscat, summer residence. President's flag. The President of Malta used the national flag as their presidential standard prior to the 12th of December 1998, when a proclamation established the presidential flag of Malta. The flag is flown on the President's official residences and offices and on all occasions at which they are present. Termination of appointment. The office of President shall become vacant if the President resigns his office on the expiration of 5 years from the date of the appointment to that office. If the holder of the office is removed from office by resolution of the House of Representatives of Malta on the ground of inability to perform the functions of their office or misbehavior.